Welcome to the review of Transformers Animated Ratchet Legends class. Okay, this is Ratchet in his usual red, white, blue color, and you can see here his actually a Legends class Autobot logo here. Painted windscreens blue. It's not a clear screen. Yellow headlights. Bumper is gray, not painted. Even the rims is not painted as well. It's red. He has the ambulance logo here. Okay, here's the back view, top view, rear view. Okay, right now I'd like to transform him to robot mode. Okay, just push his pack up like this. At the bottom, if you see here, just unhinge this. This will form the this is Ratchet's leg. Okay, if I can do, just remove the arms here. Okay, is it okay? Left, right. You can see his head right now. Move this towards, move this up. As you can see here, move it up here just like this. Sorry, yes, just this way. To form Ratchet's robot mode, and then just push this up just like this. Push the head down. As for the arms, okay, twist his hands this way so that you can see his articulated arms here. Same goes for the other hand. Okay, and as for his legs, push this down, push this up to form the legs. His legs and hand, particularly his legs, is on ball joints, if you can see here, and it's articulated at one point of articulation, so you can bend him just like this. Okay, and as for the arms, it's not on ball joints but on I would say hinge. Okay, and his hands has one point of articulation. Can't go up, it's stagnant. Okay, the same goes for the other arms, his shoulders. Okay, his head. This is the back. How he looks like. Okay, as for this, it remains here. Okay, there you have it. Transformers Animated Legends class Ratchet.